Hey guys, I wanted to read a book to you today about seeds, and hopefully you have a chance to get outside this weekend. The weather's going to be a little bit warmer and things are starting to grow. So if you have any seeds at home, like a bag of beans, or maybe you have some flower seeds, the next week or so will be a great time to put them in the ground and wait and see what you get. So this one's pretty simple. It's a nonfiction called Seeds Grow. And it's written by Colin Walker. Table of contents. So we're going to learn about seeds, what seeds need to grow, how seeds grow into plants, and then how those plants grow seeds. So it's a little cycle. Seeds are baby plants waiting to grow. So I have some of these seeds at my house right now. I have radishes and I don't have tomatoes, but I do have some lettuce that I planted last week, and it's about a centimeter tall. So excited. Lettuce you can plant now because it's cooler and they like it cooler. Other plants you have to wait a couple weeks while the ground warms up a bit more. Seeds rest and wait. What are the seeds waiting for? So these seeds are started inside. So maybe you've started some seeds inside where it's warm, and then when it gets warmer outside, you can take the plants and put them in the ground. Seeds wait for water. Seeds need to be warm. They need air. Seeds will grow into plants when they are warm and get water and air. So this is what's inside the seed, and the gray or white seed coat came off when it got warm and the inside expanded a little bit, and then that first leaf grew out, and then here's where the roots would be down underground. And then here's some rows and columns of plants. Plants grow roots. Plants grow leaves. They will need the sun to help them grow. So this carrot, the leaves, actually absorb the sun and turn it into their food. Small plants grow from seeds. Big plants grow from seeds. Isn't it crazy to think that those big, tall trees started as one seed? It's amazing. Plants grow seeds. So once that seed turns into a plant, then the plant, these pea pods, each little pea inside the pod could become another pea plant. Pretty cool. Plants grow seeds to make more plants. So you could take one of these pea pods and probably grow 3 or 4 pea plants. I like to just go outside and eat them, but if I wanted to grow them, I would just dry out that seed and put it in the ground and then cross my fingers. That's what I do when I plant things. I cross my fingers. Seeds waiting for water, air, and the sun to help them grow. So that's kind of what we're doing. We're all waiting for the weather to get nicer, waiting for a day when we can be together again and keep growing. So I wanted to share how seeds grow with you today. Hope you enjoyed it.